Hi, we are Code Smiths, the students of class 12th from PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Dhar, and we are really excited to share you our innovative idea EduQuest. EduQuest is a project built under the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. So EduQuest is a mobile application where the students can find various and all kinds of educational opportunities all at one place, like Olympiads, exchange programs, and other schemes by government and non-profit organizations. So let us talk about the problem. So the problem is that in our schools and communities, many talented students miss life-changing opportunities simply because they don't know about them. And programs like the IUQM, NSCs, the Sakura Science Exchange programs, and other fellowships like B Wisners often get unnoticed, and the reason behind this unawareness is the lack of a centralized platform where students can know about such programs. This gap limits the students' growth and exposure to new experiences.
The idea EduQuest. To solve the problem, our team has created EduQuest, a student-focused mobile app built using MIT App Inventors. EduQuest allows students to create their profile, enter the academic details, and receive personalized notification about opportunities that matches their qualification, whether it is national competition, a scholarship, or an international exchange. EduQuest ensures that no student misses out.
Features and functionality. EduQuest offers several key features: a student profile section for entering academic details, an opportunity matching algorithm that filters programs suited to the student, push notification through Firebase so students get timely alerts, a search and calendar feature to explore and track deadline easily. The app simple design and user-friendly interface make it accessible to students everywhere.
Our app is developed using MIT App Inventor with Google Firebase for data storage and notifications. We collected data from government and non-profit portals to include verified opportunities. Initially, we thought of creating a website, but based on feedback from our teachers and peers, we shifted to a mobile app, ensuring easier access and offline support. This feedback-driven process made EduQuest simpler, smarter, and more effective.
Let us also talk about the impacts and outcomes. So I will give you an example of the IUQM, the Indian Olympiad qualifier in mathematics. So basically there are cutoffs, different cutoffs for all the regions, and generally it has been seen that the cutoffs for regions like Delhi, Maharashtra, etc. are really high, like above 50, whereas the cutoffs in regions like Jammu Kashmir or other states like Jharkhand, even Madhya Pradesh also, the cutoffs are quite low. Now, what could be the reason? The reason is simply the lack of awareness, and I think EduQuest will definitely fill up this information gap that stops the students from achieving their full potential. What I think is that EduQuest will increase the participation in Olympiads, scholarship programs, and other academic exchanges. It will make learning accessible to the students from all the regions, ensuring equal learning chances and opportunities. In the future, we plan to expand EduQuest internationally, include mentorship features, and collaborate with educational institutions to add even more educational opportunities. Our dream is to make EduQuest a global companion to help students learn and grow.
We sincerely thank our guide teacher, Mr. Satyen Kumrawat sir, for his continuous guidance, and our principal, Mr. Neeraj Asthana sir, for his support. We are also grateful to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and AIM, encouraging innovation among students.
Discover, learn, and grow. We are the team from PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya Dhar. I am Keshav Narolia, and this is our innovation EduQuest, empowering students through innovation and information. Thank you.